Hello everyone. Today we're going to make dirty rice. I have chopped onions, celery, bell pepper, jalapeno peppers, some fresh chopped garlic. I have chicken base, Tony Chachere's. We're going to use rice, and I'm using ground meat for my meat. I have already cooked my rice, cooked that according to package directions, and we'll get started. So I've got some ground meat in the skillet. I'm going to chop this up and let it start frying. We're going to add in our vegetables all together, and we'll cook this down together. This is about 1.5 pounds of ground meat. So we're going to chop this up or get it cooked, and we'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and add some chicken base. We're going to keep this cooking. I'm going to let this keep cooking till almost all the liquid is cooked out of it. That's where all the flavor is. So we're going to let this cook down and get all the water out of there. Nothing but goodness. These flavors are coming together. And cook this down. I'm not worried about the grease. The rice will soak that up. We need a little bit of liquid. I'm going to let this cook down just a little bit more. We'll add the rice. It's going to be wonderful. This is about where we want it. We're going to add the rice in. And I tasted mine before I added the rice. That's where you adjust your seasonings. Because I put so much chicken base, I'm not going to use any Tonys. I have enough flavor from all my onions and bell pepper and what have you. I am going to add some fresh green onion in here and a little bit of parsley for color.